Okay, so I'm at the Doceria in El Columpio. I was invited to go on a ride with a bunch of guys. A couple people speak some English, not too much, but hell, whatever. It's gonna be a fun ride. This is probably 40 minutes right here where we're at, 40 minutes from Puerto Vallarta, or maybe a little less. But yeah, it was a good ride and up to this point, and I think we're about to hit the dirt real soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, we got all these bikes, a whole bunch of different kinds. Hondas and BMs. This is like a brand new bike. Very nice. Super clean. That's gonna change today, I think. Got the XR, Yamaha. Couple Pulsar 200s. They're just smaller than mine, or just bigger than mine. Tornado over here. Got a couple of 150s, and it looks like we're getting out of here. All right, and my bike. Well, we made it well, not halfway, but we made it a little way, and we stopped for a few minutes. Somebody had a issue back there, so they were back to help them out. But we'll get going here in a few minutes, and anyway, here we are. Some of these rain ruts are deep. I got stuck in one, got pulled out, but no big deal. Well, looks like probably heading out here in just a few seconds because I hear motorcycles coming. Perfect. I don't know how the hell my bike's gonna make it. This is a really hard part. My bike barely made it up here. Luckily, one of the guys here, he's a fucking pro rider, and he was able to help me get the bike up this. It comes up, and right here it just gets really rocky and then steep. Really steep on the backside of that. You can see everybody standing there. And you gotta rally, you gotta make it all the way to the top, or you're gonna fall out. And it looks like you made it. All right. 2 in a row. Es que esa era de haber agarrado viada. ¿Eh? Sí, güey. Mira el Chuy. Ajá, perro. Ya cayó. ¿Estás bien?
Güey, venía enorgullecido. Güey, venía no, tú ya te más tarde. Es que no fijan las piernas. ¡Ey, aprieta tu pierna! ¡Aprieta tu pierna! ¡Aprieta tu pierna! Eso, aprieta la pierna. ¿Qué? No, tiene que pasarse a la moto.
Güey, que nos caiga para acá la moto, la verga, hasta allá vamos a ir a caer.
No, está bien. ¿Ya viste cómo?
Ah.
Para allá, para allá, para allá, para allá. Gonzalo, ábrele, ábrele. Aprieta la
Gárale,
pierna.
gárale, 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 gárale.
Aprieta la puta
Gárale,
pierna.
gárale, gárale.
Aprieta el paso.
Aguas,
Oh, cuando se pegó para acá dije la madre.
Now this is where we're at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and walk over here. Yeah, it's rough right here.
eso sigue más adentro. ¡Ey!
Okay, not been an easy ride. My muscles are aching, and we had a bike breakdown, so it's being pulled. We're in the middle of the mountains, and there's man, these trails are really rocky, but I'm assured they're about to get easier again, so that's nice. But yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful spot. You can see. I'll just go ahead and do a quick pan. Huge drop off here down this mountainside. Step over here, you can see the waterfall in the distance. Beautiful. And that's a long drop. Alright, being I'm considerably quite a bit slower than these guys, I'm probably going to get going here in a second. I'm also riding the other guy's bike, Renee, riding his bike. Mine don't have the tires that I should have, and he's a pro. He's been able to handle my bike. I dropped it 3 times. I'll be honest, I dropped this one once, so I got to get a new tail light and probably new handlebars, I think. But, you know, it's all part of the fun. If it wasn't hard to get here, it probably wouldn't be worth it. So, alright, jumping back on the bike and getting ready to roll. So far on my bike, I'm going to need a new shifter, that's for sure. It's been pretty bad. And I don't know what else. I'm going to replace my foot grips with something that's a little better for my feet to grab onto than these rubber ones. On this bike, which is the same bike I have, last year's model, on this one I'll be replacing the handlebars. They're bent pretty good. And back tail light, and over here I'm going to be replacing the back brake lever, because when I laid it down they got bent up. So that's is what it is, and like I said, if it wasn't hard then it wouldn't be worth it. Alright, well, I don't know if you can see that mountain road there. It goes all the way up to that corner and turns around, keeps going up, I think. Okay, so we made it to Kwale finally, after a very long, very technical ride. Lots of water, lots of mud, lots and lots of rocks. Some of the most rocks I've ever ridden across. I did get back on my bike. We traded back 20 minutes ago or something. But yeah, she's looking good. Church. It's got this big dome on top with the cross up there. Okay, so after that ride, I got home around 6:30 or so in the evening. Hardest riding I've ever done. Some of these rocky areas were just rough on the bikes and rough on the body. I'm in a lot of pain. I am not in shape for that kind of riding. So more practice, and definitely I need to start working out more. But I got like swollen knee and my back and my shoulders, and yeah, I'll be in pain for a couple of days. But it was an excellent ride. I met some really great people, and I believe I'll be invited back to ride again. I was added to the WhatsApp group that they have to organize the rides, and I'm looking forward to doing it again. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and subscribe, please, and make sure you share it with your friends. Hit that like button here in the YouTube location right down at the bottom, and if you click that bell, then you'll get notifications when I upload new content. See you guys later. Let's talk about Vallarta.